So now we got here fucking George Washington colonial chicken. We gonna fucking make some good old fucking regular chicken now. And what I got here is just gonna fucking set that shit in some buttermilk, roll that motherfucker in some flour, and fucking season it with a little bit of fucking nature seasoning and shit. The next thing I do is fucking take that shit, get it up inside the flour and every fucking thing, and put that bitch right in the fucking frying pan, just like that. You don't want to fuck with it. You fuck with it, that's gonna fuck your crust up. That's why fucking people, how people fucking crust is up on their chicken and shit. Don't fuck with it. Don't let the pieces touch. That's right. So, yeah, buttermilk, dip it in that motherfucker, drop it right up in that motherfucking frying pan and shit. After them is done, then we'll fucking do the next one and shit. And I'll show you how that comes out. And I know this chicken's gonna be good. The dog didn't even like the colonial shit. So, I mean, you know, that's the colonial shit. That's the colonial recipe. I mean, this shit is nice, it's crunchy, it's brown. And, you know, I just don't know. I haven't actually bit into a piece of it. Might be the best motherfucking chicken there is. But that dog right there, he'll eat a fucking piece of turd off the fucking ground and like it. And that bitch didn't like that chicken. You didn't like it, did you? And you're a nasty bitch. You'll lick ass and fucking eat shit and every fucking thing else, but you didn't like that chicken. You know? So we'll see. We'll see. Here. Not fucking with your chicken and shit. Look how crispy and golden brown that motherfucker is and shit. This will put the Colonel out of business right here. Golden skillet ain't got nothing on that old antique fucking big giant fucking steel skillet. This is fucking shit right here, boy. Look at that shit. You get the little close-up view on that motherfucking shit. Look at the crunchiness and shit. That's how you want your fried chicken to look like that. Now I get ready to pull this fucking batch out right here. As soon as I do, I'm gonna fucking let that shit, put that shit on a fucking paper towel, let that shit dry, cool down a little bit. I'm gonna fucking put this batch in there. That batch right there. Next thing you know, I'm gonna fucking throw some French fries right in the same grease. And this grease right here, the more you use it and strain it out, the better this shit gets. Don't throw your grease away. Yeah, actually, there's a little bit of bacon grease in this bitch from fucking frying some bacon yesterday. And I actually fried some potatoes in this oil. So fucking, you got used oil and a little bit of new oil. And that's the way your chicken's gonna look. I'm gonna do another chicken video when I get an old kettle. I'm going to hang that bitch over the fire on a fucking chain and shit like that and cook it, you know, deep fry it in an old kettle over a fire and shit. And that's going to be some real crispy fucking chicken. And also, we're going to do a fucking another video on fucking making wings. Fucking hot wings. Where you fucking just put the salt and the pepper on them bitches. You don't put no flour. And you throw them motherfuckers in the frying pan in the oil and fry them crispy. And then you dip that shit in either blue cheese or hot wing sauce and shit like that. So, just another little view of that golden shit. And look at that fucking flakes. See the flakes on that motherfucker? That's what you want. You want that fucking cornflake looking chicken and shit right there. Let that fucking, look at the bone, how that bitch is exposed and shit. You want to see the skin boiling up on that bitch. That's how you want your chicken to be right there. So if you like that shit, subscribe to Get Go TV and I'll show y'all how to fry some more fucking chicken and all kinds of good shit like that. Get Go TV now. Subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment and tell me how your fried chicken turned out. And if you want to try that old colonial chicken and shit like that, don't fucking get mad at me because you made some fucked up shit. You might like it, but I didn't like it, and my dog didn't like it, and my teeth didn't like it. So right here, I'm going to pull this shit off the fucking pan right now, and it's going to be crispy and fucking ready. Good day.